If you want to make a grilled cheese over a campfire like this right here, stay tuned and watch the whole video through. So before you can roast your grilled cheese over a campfire, you're going to have to find yourself a V-shaped looking stick here, as you can see. Then you're going to have to carve off the part of the bark where the sandwich is going to sit at. So the sandwich is going to sit here. So I'm going to carve off from here to here. And this is where you're going to place your grilled cheese on top as you're roasting it. So I'll show you how to do it. You can use a kitchen knife or a hunting knife. Doesn't really matter. So we make sure we need something that our sandwich can sit on. As you can see, I'm carving it. Doesn't have to be perfect. We definitely gotta make sure we clear. Okay. So there you go. All right. So as you can see, I carved off the bark part where the sandwich is gonna sit at. So for the ingredients, we have 6 slices of toast bread, 6 slices of cheese, and 3 slices of ham. Now typically the recipe calls for just us to butter the bread and put just the cheese on there, but in my family we like ham and cheese or meat to go inside our grilled cheese. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to butter one side of each bread. Okay. Doesn't matter what type of butter you use. If you're trying to lose weight, then make sure you use low-fat butter. Okay. And okay. One side. Okay. You can also add salt and pepper in here if you want to, or some type of herb to give it more flavor, but we're just going to keep it basic for today. Okay, so I buttered one side of the bread, so now I'm going to add a layer of cheese as my base. It's going to go on the butter side. Okay, now I'm going to lay down a slice of meat. We prefer ham, doesn't matter, whatever your preference is. Okay, then we're going to close it. One sandwich done. Another sandwich done. Oh, sorry. On the top. Sandwich done. This sandwich done. This goes here. This goes there. Sandwich. There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our fire to make this delicious grilled cheese. So now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our fire for our grilled cheese. I decided I'm going to make a cabin log fire because the coals are going to be nice and fiery and it's going to last a bit longer. Okay. Alright, so here goes the moment of truth. We got our grilled cheese on our stick. Now we're going to hold it over the fire. As you can see, we're placing it on the part we cut the bark off at. Okay. We're going to let it sit there. Just to mention that I got some tongue, just in case it's too hot to use my finger, just to flip it around to the other side. Okay, so we're just going to hold it there. And we'll see what happens in a few minutes. Alright, so as you can see, we got one side done. We're going to flip it over here like so. Let's go ahead and work on the other side. This is a very delicious snack when you're out there camping. And as you can see, our cat is out here eating with us too. Hey, Luna. Hey. If you like more camping related videos like the one you just saw today, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And tell us what you'd like to see in the comment section. Have a great day and see you in the next video.